The F9 command we're going to use here now is called the chart. Go over to a fresh spreadsheet, bring up the F9 drop down, bring up chart. You use the chart to copy information from the general ledger and paste it onto an Excel spreadsheet. We don't use the F9 chart command to create financial reports, but you can use the F9 chart command to create a quick trial balance. Let's go over the different options in the upper left-hand corner here. Include account code, this is your account number. Segments in separate columns. I don't ever use this. If I do want to separate out my chart of accounts, I use the Excel option text to columns. Include description, this would be your account description. Include account origin, whether it's from a balance sheet or a P&L. Prepend account code with a quote. This would keep your cell formatted as a text that the account number is going to be in. Skip accounts showing all zeros. If this is checked, it's only going to pull the account numbers that have balances. If this is unchecked, it'll pull all of your chart of accounts, even the account numbers that you're currently not using. Now, if I want to run a complete trial balance for year-to-date 12/2008, I'm going to replace the 3000 through 8999 with an asterisk. Asterisk is the wild card for F9. Now, in my periods cell, I'm going to want to say year-to-date 12. So I click the periods button. Under duration, let me bring this up. Under duration, I'm going to select year. In the periods area, I'm going to pick 12. I'm going to say OK. And then here's my year-to-date 12. And then we make sure we have the correct company selected. Our SDH here is our Sunny Day Hospice. You want to make sure you have the correct year selected. Click Find, counts up all your accounts, and it has done a copy to the clipboard. We say OK. We X out of here and here. I click on a cell in the spreadsheet, and I hit Paste. And here's our trial balance. And we can expand the columns here to see what we're looking at here. There are descriptions, our origin column, balance sheet or P&L, and then our amount column. Now here's one more quick example. Let's say you want to pull just P&L accounts per period for year 2007. Bring up our chart command. I'm going to replace the third segment asterisk with 3000 through to use two periods, 8999. In the periods cell, under duration, I'm going to select month, and in the periods section, I'm going to select all periods. I'm going to say OK. We're going to use the same company. Let's change the year to 2007. Then click Find, and it's done a copy to your clipboard. I say OK. Close out there and there. And I do a paste. And then here's your account number column. Let's scroll over just a little bit. Here's your descriptions, your origin, and your periods 1 through 12, and your amount columns. Now, we've been pulling actual figures here, but if you want to pull budget figures, go up to your F9 chart, go into your periods button. Under balance type, you would select budget. Under duration, we'd have months selected, periods, going to select all periods. Notice how the period specifier has changed. We say OK. Now we have 1 budget, 2 budget, so on and so forth through 12 budget. And then, now type up here comes into play when you're pulling budget figures. If you want to pull your original budget figures, you would have budget selected up here. If you wanted to pull your revised budget figures, you would have revised budget selected. Now notice it doesn't change the period specifier, but whatever you have selected up here, that's the budget that will be pulled when you run your chart command. That's your F9 chart command.